Hey smart shoppers, welcome back to Buy Smart, your ultimate guide to making the best purchasing decisions without losing your sanity. Today, we're diving into the world of 3D printers with a face-off between the Entina 2 and the Creality K1C. One's a mini monster and the other's a turbo titan. Let's see which one deserves a place on your desk and which one should be left in the digital dust. First up, let's talk cold hard cash. The Entina 2 is priced at a sweet $169. That's less than a fancy dinner date. Meanwhile, the Creality K1C is coming in hot at $599. That's more like a weekend getaway, but without the Instagrammable sunsets. So if you're ballin' on a budget, Entina 2 has your back. Now let's talk ease of use. The Entina 2 is like that friendly neighbor who always brings cookies. Super easy and welcoming. It's out of the box and printing in minutes. No PhD required. On the flip side, the Creality K1C is also user-friendly, but it's more like a tech-savvy friend who sets up your Wi-Fi. It's ready to go almost immediately, but with a bit more sophistication, including auto-calibration. Basically, Entina 2 is your grandma's flip phone, and Creality K1C is the latest iPhone. Both are easy, but one is a bit more extra. Reviewers praise Entina 2 for its user-friendliness and quick setup, while Creality K1C gets high marks for its sophisticated features and auto-calibration. Now, hold on to your hats because it's time to talk speed. The Entina 2 is respectable, but the Creality K1C is basically the Usain Bolt of 3D printers. With a top speed of 600 millimeters per second and 20,000 millimeters per square second acceleration, it's like watching a cheetah on a caffeine binge. Entina 2, bless its heart, moves at a more leisurely pace. So if you're impatient like me waiting for my pizza delivery, Creality K1C is your go-to. Reviewers love the speed of Creality K1C, calling it a game changer for quick prints. Print quality is where things get juicy. The Entina 2 has dual Z-axis rails, making it stable and precise. It's like a Zen master of 3D printing, perfect for beginners and DIY kikers. But Creality K1C? It's got a clog-free direct extruder and can handle carbon fiber filament. It's basically the Gordon Ramsay of 3D printers. No clogs, no mess, just perfection. Plus, it's got AI functions that scan the first layer and halt printing if something's off. Imagine having a robot assistant that yells at you when you mess up. Genius! Reviewers rave about the Entina 2's precision and stability, while the Creality K1C's advanced features and flawless performance are highly praised. Size matters, folks. The Entina 2 is compact and lightweight, perfect for those of us with limited desk space or commitment issues. It's like the tiny house of 3D printers. Meanwhile, the Creality K1C is a bit more of a beast. It's bigger, more complex, and definitely not something you want to lug around. Think of it as the mansion in the suburbs. Spacious, but not exactly portable. Reviewers appreciate Entina 2's compact design, while the Creality K1C's larger size is noted but considered manageable. Last but not least, let's talk cooling. The Entina 2 has a magnetic platform, making it easy to remove models, but the Creality K1C takes cooling to another level with its upgraded fans. It's like having an entire air conditioning unit dedicated to your prints. No warping, no stringing, just cool, crisp perfection. If Entina 2 is a personal fan, Creality K1C is a full-blown HVA system. Reviewers highlight Entina 2's ease of model removal and Creality K1C's superior cooling system. Overall, reviewers love the Entina Tina 2 for its affordability, ease of use, and precision. It's highly recommended for beginners and those on a budget. On the other hand, the Creality K1C is praised for its speed, advanced features, and flawless performance. It's a bit pricier, but offers a lot more sophistication and capabilities. So what's the verdict? If you're a beginner looking for something simple, affordable, and fun, the Tina 2 is your new best friend. But if you want speed, sophistication, and a touch of AI magic, the Creality K. Either way, you can't go wrong. Just remember, whether you go mini or turbo, buy smart and thank us later. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why. Product links are in the description. See you next time, smart shoppers.